Checking in on Bitcoin. It's April 9th. In the last forecast I put out, I had April 9th as being a low. The pattern is a little bit funky here. We had our last two projections were good, the high on the 1st. I was looking for a low on the 9th. It ended up we got a low on the 2nd, just a one-day push down. We technically made a low on this bar here on the 7th, and we also technically made a low here on the 9th. This is not the best example of a cycle for trading, but this is what cycles do sometimes. But the expectation would be to come off the 9th and move up to the 17th with this cycle down to the 26th, up to the 29th, and then down to May 6th. So that's what this primary cycle looks like for the next month. Now, I've got these blue vertical lines, and what these blue vertical lines do, they tell me when a cycle has an opportunity to make a pivot, and I look at this as like an intervening pivot, or what it will do, will take the cycle pivot and drag it to that date. So for instance, if I was looking for a low on the 9th, it's possible I could get the low on the 12th. The other possibility is it goes up to the 12th, and the 12th becomes an intervening high. And right now it looks like that's more likely to be the case with the current momentum that's happening here in Bitcoin. So that is a possibility that we could go high to the 12th, come down a bit, and then again make high on the 17th. But the primary cycle is 9th low, 17th high, 26th low, 29th high, May 6th low. Intervening point again here on the 24th. Generally, when the intervening point is so close to the cycle point, it means we're going to probably get that low on either the 24th, 25th, or 26th. It's possible we get a little high-low or low-high configuration. We'll have to see how that plays out. But I always look to trade the cycle the way that it's projected here on this chart with the red trend lines, but always have to be aware that the intervening points could flip the market. So what I did draw here, I showed the last 5 points of intervention that were not part of the natural cycle, and you can see that we did get pivots on just about all those dates. We had a low at this date. This date was a minor swing high. This was a swing high. This was one day off the swing high. And this one was right at the low, where we actually had the cyclic low there, and then we had another minor low here before it moved up to the cycle date. Anyhow, that's what the upcoming month looks like with the primary cycle and the intervening dates.